last two sessions, oil prices moved up by 11%, yet this rally is not justified as the coronavirus cases are rapidly increasing all over the world and more countries are reimposing lockdowns. The ruble opened the day in the positive territory, supported by higher oil prices that keep it afloat. Markets were encouraged by the news about the victory of Joe Biden and successful trial of a new COVID-19 vaccine in the US and Germany. The development of an effective coronavirus vaccine serves as the main driver for risky assets. Markets hope that the new medicine will help accelerate global economic recovery. The prospect of consumers returning to their normal daily routine may boost the demand for fuel. Still, market participants are largely downplaying the fact that the vaccine is not ready yet. Earlier, other pharmaceutical companies, apart from Pfizer, have reported a breakthrough in the fight against coronavirus. However, the situation has not improved. This means that oil demand is still at risk of falling. The current uptrend in oil prices seems to be losing steam now, which means a possible corrective pullback in the near future. Today, oil continues its rapid rise, supported by the positive data from the American Petroleum Institute that reported a drop in oil stockpiles. Brent oil futures for January were up by 3%. Oil quotes approached the mark of $45 per barrel and then broke above it. The American crude is showing similar dynamics. WTI futures contracts with the nearest expiration settled at $42.50 per barrel. Today is a national holiday in the US, but trading will go on in a usual mode except for the securities market. However, trading activity can be lower today, while volatility is likely to increase. The release of the official industry report on crude inventories is postponed until Thursday. If the data shows a rise in oil stocks, oil bears may take the lead. The overall background on Wednesday was positive for the ruble, so the Russian currency advanced by 0.3% against the US dollar. At the moment, the focus is on both the COVID-19 vaccine and the uncertainty around the results of the US presidential election. Although Joe Biden has won the race, some serious violations were recorded during the vote count. So Donald Trump has challenged the election results in several states. The legal proceedings may prolong the uncertainty, which will definitely weigh on risky assets, including the ruble. Currently, the Russian currency gained support mainly from the positive dynamics in oil prices. Today, the dollar-ruble pair is trading in a sideways channel. The ruble buyers may become more active if the energy market maintains optimistic sentiment. Thus, the US currency may well retreat to the level of 76 against the ruble. If the pair breaks below this mark, it may then move lower to 75.50. The ruble is unlikely to continue its uptrend as it needs a break after a recent rapid rise caused by the oil's rally. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.